How to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. The first thing you want to do is open WhatsApp. Now open any conversation you want, and here you want to send your picture that you're going to use as profile picture. When you send it, make sure that you have turned on the HD option. This will make the photo in high resolution. Once you have sent the photo, you simply want to save it. So tap on the picture and then save it to your gallery. After that, head over here, tap on the three dots. Now select settings. Now tap on edit profile and then simply upload the photo that you just saved. In this way, you can easily set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.